Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this picture. They want to make something out of either clear acrylic or white. If you use white, you won't be able to see inside, so I don't understand that. But they want to use finger joints. Well, this was all glued together with acrylic glue and probably perfectly made. And I've already kind of started on it, and this is the scenario. But then I thought, if you look at this, this is the pyramid, and it's not very tall. So I started off with a sharper point. And if you had the measurements, I know you don't have this item, you just got it out of a magazine. But if you have a better picture, you could bring it in Corel and measure the distance. It doesn't have to be proportionate, but just the width times the height to get the top. So what we're going to do, we're only going to put in 3 tabs so they won't be I'm working in millimeters. So the way I would do this is I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, double click on the rotation and put it there. I don't know that I'm in the center or on the node. I am. No, I'm not. You know, you can always zoom in a lot and just double click. There we go. Then make a duplicate of that and rotate this guy till it like snaps there. So there's your pyramid looking thing. Now, I need to know this angle. So what I'm going to do for a second, I'm going to bring in an indexing line right there because I want to know this angle. So I'm going to get my parallel dimension tool angle dimension, and I'm going to go right up the guideline and then move over. And we're at 17.26. Now, the reason I need that is because I need to make my tab. I'm going to make it, he wants 3 millimeters, but I'm going to make it 6. I don't know how long, so I'm going to make it just like 30. Okay? I don't remember when I'm working on this by myself, I'm writing stuff down. I thought it was like 17. $21.76. And the reason I need that, I need to rotate this guy 17.26 to get that same angle to make it match on our, you know what, that's not true. Oh, it was 21. 21.76. I'm terrible with remembering numbers. 21.76. There we go. Take away our dimension now. And we're going to put this on our, and I wouldn't get too close to the edge. I'm going to put it right in the middle. Okay? I wouldn't get too close to the edge of either one of them, but I'm going to get it a little bit closer. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard. I would stay away from the tip. Now I'm going to grab both these, and I think the least amount of tabs, the better. And I'm going to go to Effects and Blend, and I'm just going to blend one time. And see, that put a tab in the middle. Now, what's kind of cool about doing it this way is I think we can kill 2 birds with 1 stone by doing it. I need this other side. I don't think it's going to mirror the same, but I'm going to group it together, Control G. Control D to duplicate it and mirror it. It did mirror perfectly. So now what we're going to do, we're going to make our females on this side, or look what happened to that one. You know what? I made a mistake. I did something. Let me get back to the blend. I did not take the blend apart. break the blend apart. And because there's only 3 of them, there's no group. So now group that together, Control G, Control D to duplicate and mirror it. Yes. So we're going to make the males on this side. And we don't have to do anything to the females. We don't have to cut. Because when we smart fill this, it's going to make our females. And then left click, right click. And I think that's all you have to do. Because when we take this and Control D, and let's make that one black, and we rotate it from that center, the joints are going to fit together. Now, I'm not going to worry about kerf, and I didn't hit it right on the mark down here. I'm not going to worry about kerf. Acrylic is going to have kerf too, but by the time, well, I didn't start in the center. So that's what it's going to look like. And then the next piece will fit because the males will be over here and the females will end up over here. I truly hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.